Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo, you should just go to settings, then we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will click on Duolingo app. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Duolingo. If you'll find the update in this blue sign, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.